Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program using C++ programming language that will ask the user to give length in meters and then it will convert into centimeters equivalent. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So we have here sharp include IOStream for input output in C++ using namespace int main. It is the starting point of every C++ program. Begin. Double meters and centimeters. Console out new line. The title of our program centimeters. Meters to centimeters in C++. We have here two new lines, escape sequence \n. In this line of code, we are prompt the user to give input in meters that will be stored in our variable meters. So this is the input, and then for the process, we have here convert meters to centimeters. We simply have centimeters variable equals meters. We multiply with 100, and then here we display the result meters, centimeters, end line. Return 0, return to our operating system, right curly bracket to close the main body, the main function of our program. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with our online GDB to run the program. Okay, meters to centimeters in C++, interlength in meters, let's say 6.54 meters. 6.54 meters is equal to 654 centimeters. Correct. Let us another example. 8.45 meters. 8.45 meters is equals to 845 centimeters. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on meters to centimeters in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.